Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session, I will quickly answer the question about how to count the items in a list in Python. For this purpose, I will start my Python interpreter. I will declare a list, which will simply be called a list. A list you can declare using square brackets. Inside of these square brackets, you can enter any type of variable. I will simply just enter numbers from 1 to 5. I will hit enter, and now when I will refer to this list in my interpreter, it will output the list as it is. And now how can you count the amount of the items in a list? You can do it using the keyword len, L-E-N, which is from the word length. And now to the length passed variable, which represents your list, and hit enter. As you can see, the amount of the items in my list is 5. So this is how you can get the amount of items in a list in Python. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.